Nutella brownies. I got a cake one.
Are we meant to take them? No. I looked at that. I think that's part of the point. Yeah, I looked at that. It's just been.
Oh,
brownies. Is the cake
oh
still?
my gosh.
Oh, it's different.
Oh my gosh.
There was a cake, a whole cake in there yesterday.
Yeah, there was. I saw people taking slices.
Is it allowed to take it?
I'm not gonna eat it.
Are you supposed to take it? I don't know, but I'm assuming if she's changed the cake.
Where's it from? That's a platform.
No, I could see.
I think it's a raisin. Platform I'm in.
A raisin.
A little nibble. Oh,
They do look good.
give them a sniff. I feel like there's a camera in here.
Oh.
Right there.
Oh, there is.
Lol. I did not even know that.
I just thought because the fan's broken. I watch so many of those YouTubes where, you know, they go in hotels and they're like,
Yeah.
how does for a camera?
I'm gonna take one of it.
Do it. You get half it? Lily,
Yeah.
do
Yeah,
it.
okay,
Do
that's
it.
it. Okay.
I wouldn't say bad, but I know he's not vegan.
Because if we half it, it's not as
I
bad.
can feel it in my. I like this.
Oh. You can't do the whole thing, surely.
I'm not having that. No, that was weird.
It does there.
Oh my god.
Hello. What does this mean?
I'm so confused.
Why is there fairy lights in the fridge?
What does this mean?
Is it a clue?
Who
Probably.
benefits from your last purchase? Oh, is it like a
Some kind of like social experiment.
Yeah.
Can we just take the cake?
Yeah, I think
Oh
you
look, there's a knife and everything.
Oh god, yeah.
should. Just leave the knife in the
What the fuck?
Who benefits from your last purchase? I don't understand.
cake. Is it
Scan the
like
code.
an environmental?
Oh my god, it's got a camera. Hey!
Oh my god, camera. Oh no.
Bye.
Abby used to get a special one, didn't she?
Hey.
You won't take it.
I'm not.
What is this? What the fuck is this? This is like a horror movie or something. I'm so confused. What the fuck is this? Oh, it's me. There's stuff.
Open it.
What is this? There's napkins that say stuff. Who benefits from your last purchase?
Okay, well, no.
I'm so confused. Oh, it smells quite good. Just hide Anna. Get her in. Wow. That is so right. Oh, please eat it. No.
Wait, I'll take it. I might take my plate, to be honest.
No, Tom, got the thing.
Tom, you've got to have the whole thing.
No, it looks grimy, mate.
I was going to eat it. Shall I just take the plate? Just put the cake back in. I need a plate.
Yeah, that's somebody else's plate.
Yeah, wash it up. Camera on you.
No one's gone for it because it's so sus.
Someone's cut it though. You're like, is it real?
A cake! Oh my god, it's cake! What the fuck? Do you want some cake?
Shut the fuck up.
Do you want some cake?
Yes, yes I do.
Oh my god.
This is, what is this? Is this poison?
Why do you ask that? Why? What makes you think? Here you go.
Man, are you sure you should get some, you know?
Well, do you want, if you're not gonna have it, I'll have it. Who benefits from your last purchase? This looks so stupid. Should I ask you short and cake? See your reaction.
Anyway,
Anyone with some cake? Cake, anyone? Cake?
it's just a fridge.
What the
So
fuck?
weird.
Bro, imagine people walking by. Try it. Is it? Three halves.
Because there's only one cake. This is weird, bro. What's
But
all the things?
should we-
Fairy
wait.
lights.
Victoria's French.
Who benefits from your last purchase?
No? I don't get it. Should we look it up? Instagram. Camera!
Oh my Let's go.
Is it recording? Yeah, it's been on for 9 minutes.
Bro, I want to know who this is.
Hiya.
Hi, hun.
This is a social experiment, by the
This
way.
is definitely a social experiment.
The cake is lovely, I can't lie to you.
Whoever baked that.
If you'd like to
quality
make
stuff.
me another one, I'll send you my address. So, where does this go? Is this for your course? Do you reckon it's for the course? Is it a coursework thing?
It's just slightly creepy.
It's very creepy.
Bro, when you spotted the camera, I was fully. I said someone was watching.
Should we just...
Right, bye bye.
Cake? Is it actually?
What the
I
hell?
wouldn't eat that. Oh my god, wait, why is it orange? Who benefits from your last purchase? This is some. There's a camera!
Oh, that's horrible.
It's like orange. You're caught on camera, look.
We could
Oh.
nick the camera.
It's a
Just
social
take the
experiment.
GoPro.
Who benefits from your last purchase?
Have people actually taken the cake?
Yeah.
I probably would, to be
If I
fair.
was hungry, I would. I just had lunch.
You take the cake.
I probably would take
How long has it been there?
I don't know what people have
Bobby,
done
wait.
with it.
Let's feel the stodginess.
Yeah, let's have a little.
It looks alright, you know.
See you later.
It's quite moist.
The top's firm.
That's moist for me.
Have a nibble.
Come on then, we're having some.
Go from the back.
I'm gonna do a really awkward slice, like a,
Yeah.
like
Oh, no, what you said?
I'm going like here.
Kind of spits now.
Quite a big slice though.
Nah, we're going like edge. I'm going edge.
Is it custard in the middle?
Thanks for coming.
Custard.
This looks. I can't have it. It looks absolutely horrible.
Everyone's watching.
Take a bite and then you can bin it.
Everyone's watching.
It's orange. I'm not having it.
It's
orange.
custard.
You can't.
It's custard.
Vanilla custard.
You're gonna be ill now.
Is it nice?
Oh,
Is it not nice?
horrible.
It looks awful.